Okay, so today we are making some porridge. Let's pour half a liter of water. That's around half. Then we'll take some good old havleflingers, which is basically oatmeal. Put around 2 deciliters, 2.5 to make it thick. Then give it a little whisk. This fridge door has been open all night. Amazing. Then we add these berries. These are turnip berries. They have tomatoes. They taste like shit, but they are healthy, so yeah, what can I say? Eat healthy. And next you take some svarta bönor. Pour some of the liquid out. And take your spoon and spoon the beans inside your porridge. Like half. A bit more. Yeah. Put the rest in the fridge. Yeah, the beans are in salt water, so it's all the salt you need. Alright, that's enough beans. I make the porridge this way because you don't have to boil it. Adding some beans, add some protein, no need for protein shake in this house. The berries, they are loaded with vitamins. And yeah. It needs to thicken up a bit. Add some more. You don't have too much of this stuff. It's good for you. Now it has the right consistency. So take a plate, like this IKEA one, or as we Swedes say, IKEA. Then you just basically do this. You know, if you have eaten before, you probably have done this. And take your condiment of choice. For me, it's apple moss. Apple moss. I'm all about apple things. Put some few spoonfuls, like three dining spoons of scrap. So it looks like this. It's porridge, you know. And after that we are going to...
Comrade, steel production is down. I said, comrade, pick yourself off the ground. I said, comrade, seize the factory in town. There's no need to be a wage slave, comrade. Marxist principles show clearly, comrade. There's no meaning in no, it's all shackles. You must cast it aside if you want to gain class freedom. The workers ruling the USSR. The workers ruling the USSR. We have thrown down our chains. We have taken the reins in the name of the working class. USSR, the workers ruling the USSR. We have seized all control from the capitalists. Private property won't exist. Comrade, have the peasants been armed? I ask, comrade. Have the collective been formed? I ask, comrade. Are the bougies informed that their mean days are over? No one does it all by themselves. I said no one.
Yeah, and then you
So come join
like
us in the US.
have your vitamins and shit. And as a drink, we have this Battery Remix 24 limited edition in collaboration. Sequel with Elliot Rogers is an avant-garde energy for incels. Or no, I'm not really speaking. So, let's take the electric snooze from our mouths and have a taste. We have the orange berries and shit like.
No one cared if I died. The whole system was just jive, and then that's when someone came up to me and said, "Comrade,
Yeah, it's fine.
There's a system in
Today
USSR.
it's time to
You can start right back.
squat and
The workers ruling
I think I'm also going to squat and
USSR. The workers ruling
yeah,
the USSR.
we are all gonna make it, brother.